You're sitting in class feeling perfectly content until your teacher says those dreaded words, writing an essay. You've never been a strong writer, and suddenly your carefree attitude becomes one of anxiety and self-doubt. But no worries. This video will help you buckle down, create a well-formatted essay, and get you one step closer to achieving that A. The opening of your paper is called the introduction. This one is pretty common knowledge, but it's where, and yeah, you guessed it, you introduce the argument of your paper. One technique when structuring your introduction is to go from broad to your specific argument. This could be outlining the bigger concepts that your argument connects with, or giving background on what others thought about the issue. The statement that tells your reader your argument, or what you're debating, is called your thesis. A thesis statement is made up of two parts, a claim and a general reason. Your claim is clearly stating what side of the debate you fall on. This is your opinion on the topic. For example, if the debate was which pet is better, a cat or a dog, a claim would be cats are better pets than dogs. The second half of your thesis is a general reason why. This is the core of your argument, some broad reason why your side of the debate is correct. The important part of this reason is that it is broad, or covering a large scope of things. You'll get more specific about this later on in your paper. So, using the same cats versus dogs debate, a general reason for the side of cats are more self-sufficient. Therefore, putting the two parts together, you get a fully formed thesis statement. Cats are better pets because they are self-sufficient. This introduction structure helps readers relate to what you are saying and focuses their attention on your specific point. The most crucial part is this next section, the body of your paper. The body of your paper is made up of multiple paragraphs which look more specifically at that general reason part of your thesis. Most essays will have 3 paragraphs in their body, but ultimately you can add as many as you need depending on the points you want to make. This is the section where you will focus on your evidence. Evidence is the facts, statistics, data, and/or examples that you pull from outside sources to help prove your argument. The organization and layout of body paragraphs is a whole other entity beyond just what we're able to mention here. The final part of your essay is the conclusion, which, yep, you guessed it again, concludes your essay. Your conclusion should bring together your whole argument. To do this, you start by restating your thesis. Remind your reader, after being given all of that evidence, which side of the debate you fall on. It is important to emphasize that you are restating your thesis, or using different words to say the same thing. We're not just copying and pasting your thesis from that introduction. Next, you want to summarize your main points for the reader. These are your main ideas from earlier in that body paragraph. Again, these should not just be copy and paste, but restated to present your reader with a final push to agree with your argument. Last, you want to end your paper with a so what moment. This is to answer the questions, why is the viewer reading your paper? What purpose does it serve in the wider world or in the realm of study that you're looking at? This serves as the reverse of the introduction. The ending result is that you begin broad and get specific down to your argument, which involves your thesis and evidence, and then bring your point back into a wider sphere once again. This strategy will help you lay out your ideas and get one step closer to receiving that A.